Good evening, sir. Today we are going to discuss about a program to demonstrate arithmetic exception. First we have to import the util package name. After we need to define a class name called arithmetic exception. After that, in this program we need to define a main class. In that main class we need to define a scanner object with sc equal to new scanner of system.it. It is used to store given input value by the user. Then after, ask the user to give an input value, and the input value is stored in the variable a, and it is stored as sc.nextInt. Similarly, another second value is given by the user, and it is stored in the variable b. It is stored as sc.nextInt. In this program, mainly two operations are going to be performed: double c equal to a by b and int d equal to a plus b. The arithmetic exception is mainly depends on the c value. If it is executed properly, there is no disturbances in this program. If it is not executed properly, then arithmetic exception is happened. If we take a equal to 6 and b equal to 3, then c is performed as a by b, that is 6 by 3. C equal to 2 is going to be printed as output. After that, int d equal to a plus b is performed. Suppose we take the value a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 0, and c is performed as a by b, that implies 9 by 0. Any value which is divided by 0 is can't defined, so it is printed as a number can't divide with 0, and d equal to a plus b is moved to try block. In this program, to prevent the abnormal terminals in the program, we use exception handlers using catch block. After this, the execution is moved to these steps. These are also known as finally blocked statements. These statements are executed if the exception is happening or not. So this is the program about arithmetic exception. Thank you, sir.